Kia ora, welcome back to the Queenstown Wānaka Dirt Report. My name is Nick Hine and this week we're coming to you from Lismore Jump Park, just outside of the centre of Wānaka. Beautiful place in the woods. Kind of scary jumps here. Definitely some jumps that are not for the faint-hearted and some for the learners as well. To tell us a little more, we've got Daniel White, who maintains, builds and rides the jump park.
Hey, we're here in Lismore Forest, aka Lizzie Woods. It's all volunteer driven and it's a lot of fun. Got a range of jumps from beginner lines to some of the biggest jumps in the world.
To Queenstown Bike Park, well, Skyline Gondola access is running. Just expect slightly longer than usual lift lines, potentially just with the traffic light change recently. Everybody will be travelling up in their bubbles. That will not affect the Vertigo DH series that's happening this Sunday, January 30th. They'll be going ahead just capped at 100 people. To Bike Lindu, well, Bike Lindu is turning 2. They're having a party on Sunday, February 6th. That's Waitangi Day, barbecue from 1 p.m. Also, their Women's Wednesdays are kicking off from 5:30 p.m. this evening. Get yourself down there if you're a lady, $10 tickets. To Cadrona, well, after the rain last week, they've been doing some maintenance to their trails on the WTD, the Peaked Pub and the Crankshaft trails. Also, don't forget that they've got Fast Fridays every Friday from 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. It's a social racing league and it kicks off on the 4th of February. To Coronet Peak, well, the Coro 1200 was last Saturday. Great race with great conditions. 3 hours they were going for it, and Ed Masters took out the top spot in the men's and Kathy Morris took out the women's. Also, don't forget that they've got their Coronet Peak and Altitude Brewing sunset sessions, which are happening from 4 p.m. until 8 p.m. every Thursday. To our local bike club updates, well, Bike Wānaka are saying that Sticky Forest is the pick this week. It's nice and shady, stay out of the sun, beautiful trails. To Queenstown Mountain Bike Club, well, the Gorge Road progression line is open. There's still work going on the larger lines. Just remember, when you're riding the lines, use the hoses provided. This gives a better rider experience and better longevity of the park. To the weather forecast now, well, it looks like we have some rain coming this evening, which is kind of good news, and then we've got sun right through from Thursday morning until Sunday afternoon, which should make another week of good evening riding and a great weekend to follow. Well, that's us for another week. We'll see you again next Wednesday for more bike, dirt and event updates. Until then, I've been Nick Hine signing off from Lismore Jump Park for Dirt Report.